Good morning. So day 2, and just for a quick update, this is not going to be a long insert here. One thing always leads to another, as anybody who's ever remodeled anything knows. When you start something, it's not always what you initially planned. So once we got the shelving taken down, looking at this window is old, and we're going to be putting up new insulation, new sheetrock, so why not go ahead and do the window while we're there? Well, again, one thing always leads to another. So it's an oddball size. I've measured and remeasured, and from what I can tell, the rough opening is 34 by 39, and that's not just a standard window, so it's going to be a custom-made window. So I'm at like a standstill right now, because if I pull out the insulation and, again, so I've got some calling around to do. I've got my sketch, my height, my kind of like, I'm not an architect, I'm not an engineer, but there you go. And my window, again, I need to figure out where I'm going to get it, if I can find it somewhere already made and not have to special order it. So that's where we are right now. Of course, now my husband is hounding me that I have to figure out what kind of lighting do I want? Where do I want my light switches? I've got to run the electricity first. And I'm like, this was supposed to be insulation and sheetrock and then done. And no, never happens that way. So here we are. Stay tuned. We'll probably see you later this afternoon. But in the meantime, like and subscribe.